A pleasant day to everyone. For today's lesson, we are going to discuss about division of polynomial using long division method. Example number 1, quantity of negative x plus x squared minus 6 divided by quantity of x plus 2. So in dividing polynomials, we must arrange first both the divisor and the dividend in descending order. It means from the term with the highest degree down to the term with the lowest degree. So we have now x squared minus x minus 6. So we arrange it already in descending order. So from the term with the highest degree down to the term with the lowest degree, which is the constant, divided by x plus 2. So it is already arranged in descending order. So since it is long division method, we use the long division symbol. So to divide this polynomial, first divide the first term of the dividend, which is x squared, divided by the first term of the divisor, which is x. So x squared divided by x is x. Then multiply your partial quotient to the divisor. So x times x is x squared. Then x times 2 is positive 2x. Then subtract. So since it is subtraction, change the sign of the subtrahend. So your subtrahend is x squared plus 2x. So change the sign of the subtrahend. So x squared will become negative x squared and positive 2x will become negative 2x. Then proceed to addition. So x squared plus negative x squared is 0. And negative x plus negative 2x is negative 3x. Then bring down negative 6. So the same process again. First term, negative 3x divided by x. So first term divided by first term. So negative 3x divided by x is negative 3. Then negative 3 times x plus 2 or your divisor. So negative 3 times x is negative 3x and negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Then change the sign of the subtrahend since it is subtraction. So negative 3x will become positive 3x and negative 6 will become positive 6 and proceed to addition. Then do the addition process. So negative 3x plus positive 3x is 0. The negative 6 plus positive 6 is 0. So the remainder is 0 and your quotient is x minus 3. X squared minus x minus 6 is your dividend, or the p of x. And x plus 2 is the divisor or the d of x. And x minus 3 is your quotient or the q of x. And 0 is the remainder or the r of x. Alright, so you must remember that you are going to write your final answer in this manner. P of x over d of x equals q of x plus r of x over d of x, or p of x equals q of x times d of x plus r of x. So we have now, our final answer is x squared minus x minus 6, which is the p of x, and over x plus 2, which is the d of x, equals x minus 3, which is the q of x. So since the remainder is 0, do not write anymore the 0 since the remainder is 0. or p of x, which is x squared minus x minus 6, equals the quantity of x minus 3, which is the q of x, times quantity of x plus 2, which is the d of x. So you can write your final answer either in this manner or in this manner. So it's up to you. It's the same. So this is your final answer. Example number 2, quantity of 5x cubed plus 3x minus 8 divided by quantity of x minus 1. So just like in example number 1, you must see to it that you arrange first both the divisor and the dividend in descending order. So from the term with the highest degree down to the term with the lowest degree. So we have now 5x cubed plus 0x squared plus 3x minus 8 divided by x minus 1. So how did we get to 0x squared? So since in the given problem, we do not have an x squared here, so just put 0x squared to complete the sequence of our dividend so that it is easy for us to divide the polynomial. Okay? So again, just like in example number 1, divide the first term of the dividend to the first term of our divisor. So 5x cubed divided by x is 5x squared. Then multiply 5x squared to our divisor. So 5x squared times x is 5x cubed. Then 5x squared times negative 1 is negative 5x squared. Then subtract. So since it is subtraction, change the sign of our subtrahend. So 5x cubed, our subtrahend by the way is 5x cubed minus 5x squared. Itong nasa baba. This is our subtrahend. So change the sign of the subtrahend. Positive 5x cubed will become negative 5x cubed. And negative 5x squared will become positive 5x squared. Then proceed to addition. So after changing the subtrahend, proceed to addition. Then do the process of addition. So 5x cubed plus negative 5x cubed is 0. So 0x squared plus positive 5x squared is 5x squared. Then bring down positive 3x. So our dividend here is 5x squared plus 3x. So the same process, divide the first term of our dividend, which is 5x squared, divided by the first term of our divisor, which is x. So 5x squared divided by x is 5x. Then 5x times x is 5x squared. Then 5x times negative 1 is negative 5x. So change the sign of the subtrahend since it is subtraction. So positive 5x squared will become negative 5x squared. And negative 5x will become positive 5x. And proceed to addition. Then do the process of addition. So 5x squared plus negative 5x squared is 0. And 3x plus positive 5x is positive 8x. Then bring down negative 8. So 8x minus 8 is our dividend now. The same process, divide the first term of our dividend, which is 8x, divided by the first term of our divisor, which is x. So 8x divided by x is positive 8. Then multiply 8 to our divisor, which is x minus 1. So 8 times x is 8x. And 8 times negative 1 is negative 8. Then subtract. Then change the sign of the subtrahend. So positive 8x will become negative 8x, and negative 8 will become positive 8. Then proceed to addition. Then do the process of addition. So 8x plus negative 8x is 0, and negative 8 plus positive 8 is 0. So therefore, the remainder again is 0, just like in example number 1. So again, 5x cubed plus 0x squared plus 3x minus 8 is our dividend, or the p of x, and x minus 1 is our divisor, and 5x squared plus 5x plus 8 is our quotient, or the q of x, and 0 is the remainder. So write your final answer in this manner: 5x cubed plus 3x minus 8 all over x minus 1. This is your dividend, or the p of x, and this is your dividend, or the p of x, 5x cubed plus 3x minus 8 all over x minus 1. X minus 1 is your divisor, or the d of x, equals 5x squared plus 5x plus 8, your quotient, or q of x. So since the remainder is 0, do not write anymore the remainder. So this is your final answer. Example number 3. Quantity of x cubed plus 11x squared minus 4x minus 9 divided by quantity of x plus 2. So just like in example number 1 and number 2, you must see to it that you arrange first the polynomial, both the divisor and the dividend, in descending order. So from the term with the highest degree down to the term with the lowest degree. So we have now x cubed plus 11x squared minus 4x minus 9 divided by x plus 2. So in this example, just like in previous examples, divide the first term of the dividend to the first term of our divisor. So we have x cubed divided by x is x squared. Then multiply x squared to our divisor. So x squared times x is x cubed. Then x squared times 2 is positive 2x squared. Then proceed to subtraction. Then, since it is subtraction, change the sign of the subtrahend. Your subtrahend is x cubed plus 2x squared. So change the sign of the subtrahend. X cubed will become negative x cubed, and positive 2x will become negative 2x squared. Then proceed to addition. After changing the sign of the subtrahend, proceed to addition. Then do the addition process. So x cubed plus negative x cubed is 0. 11x squared plus negative 2x squared is positive 9x squared. Then bring down negative 4x. So we have 9x squared minus 4x as our dividend now. So divide the first term of our dividend, which is 9x squared, to the first term of our divisor, which is x. So 9x squared divided by x is positive 9x. Then 9x multiplied to our divisor, which is x plus 2. So 9x times x is 9x squared. Then 9x times 2 is positive 18x. Then subtract. Then change the sign of the subtrahend. So positive 9x squared will become negative, and positive 18x will become negative also. Then proceed to addition. Then do the addition process. So 9x squared plus negative 9x squared is 0, and negative 4x plus negative 18x is negative 22x. Then bring down negative 9. So negative 22x, the first term, divided by x. So first term divided by first term. So negative 22x divided by x is negative 22. Then multiply negative 22 to our divisor. Negative 22 times x is negative 22x. And negative 22 times 2 is negative 44. Then subtract, then change the sign of the subtrahend. Negative 22x will become positive 22x, and negative 44 will become positive 44. Then proceed to addition. Then do the addition process. So negative 22x plus positive 22x is 0. Negative 9 plus positive 44 is positive 35. So the remainder is positive 35, and the quotient is x squared plus 9x minus 22. So again, this is our dividend, this is our divisor, and this is our quotient, and this is our remainder. Then write your final answer in this manner: x cubed plus 11x squared minus 4x minus 9 all over x plus 2 equals x squared plus 9x minus 22 plus 35 over x plus 2. So since we have a remainder, so write the remainder in your final answer. But if the remainder is 0, do not write it anymore. But if you have a remainder, write the remainder in your final answer. So example number 4, quantity of 5x cubed plus 2x squared plus 2x to the fourth power minus 7x minus 15 divided by quantity of 2x minus 3. So just like in the previous examples, you must arrange the polynomial, both the divisor and the dividend, in descending order, from the term with the highest degree down to the term with the lowest degree. So we have now 2x to the fourth power plus 5x cubed plus 2x squared minus 7x minus 15. So we already arranged our dividend. So from the term with the highest degree, which is 2x to the fourth power, down to the term with the lowest degree, which is the constant, negative 15, divided by 2x minus 3. So the divisor is already arranged from the term with the highest degree down to the term with the lowest degree. So to start with, divide the first term of our dividend to the first term of our divisor. So 2x to the fourth power divided by 2x is x cubed. Then x cubed times the divisor. So x cubed times 2x is 2x to the fourth power, and x cubed times negative 3 is negative 3x cubed. Then subtract, then change the sign of the subtrahend, so positive 2x to the fourth power will become negative, and negative 3x cubed will become positive. Then proceed to addition. Then do the addition process. 2x to the fourth power plus negative 2x to the fourth power is 0, and 5x cubed plus 3x cubed is 8x cubed. Bring down positive 2x squared. So 8x cubed divided by 2x is positive 4x squared. 4x squared, multiply it to our divisor, so 4x squared times 2x is 8x cubed. 4x squared times negative 3 is negative 12x squared. Then subtract. Change the sign of the subtrahend. So 8x cubed will become negative 8x cubed, and negative 12x squared will become positive 12x squared. Proceed to addition. Then do the addition process. 8x cubed plus negative 8x cubed is 0. 2x squared plus 12x squared is 14x squared. Bring down negative 7x. 14x squared divided by 2x is positive 7x. 7x times 2x is positive 14x squared. 7x times negative 3 is negative 21x. Then subtract, change the sign of the subtrahend. So positive 14x squared will become negative 14x squared, and negative 21x will become positive 21x. Proceed to addition. Then do the addition process. 14x squared plus negative 14x squared is 0. Negative 7x plus positive 21x is 14x. Bring down negative 15. Then 14x divided by 2x is 7. 7 times 2x is 14x. 7 times negative 3 is negative 21. Then subtract. Change the sign of the subtrahend. So this will become negative 14x. And this will become positive 21. Proceed to addition and do the addition process. So 14x minus 15 plus negative 14x plus 21 is positive 6. So the remainder is positive 6. So here's the dividend. 2x to the fourth power plus 5x cubed plus 2x squared minus 7x minus 15. And here is our divisor. And here is our quotient. And here is our remainder. So write your final answer in this manner. 2x to the fourth power plus 5x cubed plus 2x squared minus 7x minus 15 all over 2x minus 3 equals x cubed plus 4x squared plus 7x plus 7 plus 6 all over 2x minus 3. So that is our final answer. Remember, to divide polynomial by another polynomial using long division, first arrange the terms in both the divisor and the dividend in descending order. Second, divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor to get the first term of the quotient. Third, multiply the divisor by the first term of the quotient and subtract the product from the dividend. Fourth, using the remainder, repeat the process, thus finding the second term of the quotient. And fifth, and the last one is continue the process until the remainder is 0 or the remainder is of a lower degree